A Waltz to Remember. I traveled to England with my mother. She had been a singer in a band, and her voice was like a sweet melody. We visited the Grand Hotel where she once sang. It was a place of sparkling lights and elegant music. Some of the people who knew my mother from her singing days were still there. They greeted her with warm smiles and happy memories. They all said I looked just like my mother. It made me feel like a part of her special past. In the hotel, there was a beautiful ballroom. Couples twirled and glided across the polished floor. I was used to dancing to rock music, a very different kind of dance. A kind man offered to teach me the waltz. He showed me where to place my hands and how to move my feet. 1, 2, 3, he counted, but my feet felt clumsy. I accidentally stepped on his toes. He was very patient and laughed kindly. "You are a good beginner," he said, even though I stepped on his toes again. Then, the man asked my mother to dance. She was a wonderful dancer, graceful and light on her feet. My mother never once stepped on his toes. She moved as if she were floating on air. I had never seen her dance like that before.